Okay, this is a picture of my bike when it's folded. A lot of people have been asking me what does it look like when it's folded, because I don't really have a picture up. So that's what it looks like when it's folded, and I'm about to unfold it and ride it. Okay, I was doing a video and I was trying to get the range down again along with the speed, and I was about maybe 10 miles out and kabam, I had a blowout. Now this was my fault because I had the tire that was low and I knew it. And then I attempted to put air in it, but I had pinched the tube, and so the tube blew. So now I have to replace my tire, or just the tube, but I want to go into something else about fixing the tube. Is that usually on an electric bike, there is a plug in this area that allows you to unhook the electric connection to the hub, but on this bike there is not. I have to go all the way back to the controller and unplug from the controller in order to get the rim off. So I had to get a ride back to my van. Fortunately, I was able to get one from a bicycle company, which I'm going to link in the description, because they did help me out. They gave me a ride back. Maurice gave me a ride back, and I greatly appreciate it, because I would not be able to carry this bike back that many miles. It'd be a pain, such a pain. Here's my rim, or the tube that blew. So it's not like they could just put a patch on it and then send me on my way. I have to get another tube. But the problem is you can't take the tube off unless you take the hub off, and there's no disconnect for the electric. So once again, I have to take it home and do it. I have to disconnect from the controller right here. So, yep, something to consider. Not fun, but okay. Oh, there you are.